What you got there? Watching JoJo. Well, 3 seconds ago I was talking up a storm, couldn't stop me. Amazing how she doesn't hit her head.
Like today, Glythe and I were playing a great game. We were pretending we were clown-saurs. Then my mom came in and asked if we could please be quiet. My dad was taking a clown nap. So I had an idea.
What you got there, baby girl? Do you have the remote? And what do you change channels? Delaney?
That's right. Now bend forward and put your elbows on the floor.
Some babies put things in their mouth to see that they're real. Delaney likes to bang them on her tummy and her legs.